Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking. When we talk to our investors about investing, we often talk about investing goals. Do you want to invest for cash flow, or do you want to invest for appreciation? Do you want to invest for the short term or the long term? And while those investing goals are really important to consider, there's also, very related, the life goals that you're going after. And what I mean by that are, what do you ideally want your life to look like? A lot of people find it easier to think 5 years down the road. So think 5 years from now. Ideally, what do you want your day-to-day life to look like? So don't just think high level, like I want to travel more, I want to have more free time, I want to quit my job. Those are high level things. But what does your day-to-day look like? You get up in the morning and then what? What happens? Are you spending the morning alone doing exercise and reading and personal development? Or are you spending the mornings with your children? Are you spending your days living abroad? What does your day-to-day life look like? And before you invest in anything, we always advise really try to get a crystal clear picture of what that day looks like, that perfect day. What does that look like? And then you can start to backtrack and look at what your day-to-day looks like and look at the difference and say, okay, well, there's a few things right off the bat that maybe you can go ahead and take care of without even investing. Maybe they're just choices that you've made that you can just make a little tweak in your life and you can get closer to that ideal day. And then there's other things like maybe you don't have the funds, or maybe you need to quit your job in order to pursue a passion project. So those are bigger things. And that's when you start to explore things like investing in a real estate syndication to fund those long-term goals. And so we always recommend start first with the end in mind. So have as clear a picture as you can of what your goal is and why it's so important to you. And then work backwards from there. Think about all the steps between where you are now and what you need to do to get there. And then put an action plan into place so you can start getting there one step at a time. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, have a sunny side up day.